Yekwa chini yekwa kurokwa manyo kwoni mu a the NDC party mu a entokwa bi epese efifiri ewo mu ni nyina ye Appiah Stadium abusia annual program because wa Accra International Airport honomo ema yes a shortcutting for expansion dwumadie bi ombese omuye wo Accra Airport ho na hono ana BBC between Appiah Stadium and Financial Intelligence Center boss and as a new CEO as a dan komo na ade see no NDC for bi kura ebo nyoso ama omu de abufuo aba mi da say omu e common seminar say omu say blast Appiah Stadium essence de warning mama hama ne de say excellency amene na ho no mu Appiah Stadium ni ti no eja betima to NDC party no but e bo ha no as most Penyah DSA ene ka ho asem e bo ho da wura kira mansan any day kwan so nya subscribe button so da roma obetan notification on for latest update e ya no a share amanu aso enya bia hwe no a kire wa adwen da ma me e wo comment section me kan fo NGX limited ene de ama ye tunsuo Aquaria so both time you bedwa akotunsuo e de abro any problem ya ade be fa plumbing ho bia de omu eye bi kan ye tunsuo no na se won say de be hye pipe na de ade ye sa hye showers ade bia efie no wasie po ya ba hye o pipes na ma o shower ne o den nyina afra NGX ye swimming pool e de ka ho dunso ekoso opeso obo solar panel ana power plant e wo fie ana wo dwuma bia ya dwuma bia fil NGX omu number no na eguso ade be fa mechanical engineering and electrical engineering ho bia de omo eye bi e de ka obonu mbo e for pa no madwuma ho de e ho eti e say yopo. Let's go to the story. I was only my Appiah Stadium. I was on my say Mahama PC Mahama firstborn as I ono there since me hu no me share dem hu si o ye adwuma bia kasa da de but for ye adwuma bia me but say me hu media na so no de any say me hu Appiah Stadium de ono no o ye Ghana ha nyina hype man upo bia me na hype pa gede enya say o ko tena media so hype da bi wunie minie na ye ma fans hype man Emma Mahama better akunya asu no bia Mahama bi ko bia de Appiah Stadium eko hobi menim se eya ye man tip off se Mahama be ba ha de a bintimi kire but bia mehu se Mahama wo bia no e wo Ghana ha de Appiah Stadium eko ho no mo e mako a o Mahama fans eni ade na enra no na ho se Mahama nani so de hunu se wiemu shan stations ahodo wo Ghana ha no mo no obema ya expansion e wo ho ye be raise ni nyina to international airport standard. It was started all year bina oba Accra already a international airport. Now it was previously Kutuka, but now you're changing to be an Accra International Airport. It is excellent airlines and there'll be some expansion be recently so toy crown. Flood and causes some distractions being at the air honomo. It was also expansion. It enra and a short cutting for multi-purpose and multi-tier car park and hotel complex. Ewo Accra International Airport a honomo.
Please join the presidential party. Let's minimize the numbers so that it's not too crowded. Imek and Ahmed, please, we need you to witness the groundbreaking. Let's have, please. Please follow the directions of protocol as we proceed to the groundbreaking area. Imek, Name, please join them as the president prepares for the formal groundbreaking for the multi-purpose, multi-tier car park and airport hotels complex right here at the Accra International Airport. Mr. President has proceeded to the back hall where he will perform the groundbreaking for this historic project. Please follow the directions of the state protocol as we make this an event to remember. Thank you, Mr. President.
I say, yes, I question. Yeah, so I could buy from my ABCC hotels, hall. Yes, a car parks. I can see airport hall so that we took quiet. Upesonia baby adult Joe, Obenya baby adult John, as well as Obenya baby as a packet or car, hall. Kama. The end of that, Medino, and they couldn't Accra International Airport. I say, you bear me, how come Hamad didn't send me to you? I just a Ghana Hanamono. Your airport, I hold your hand and she be a baba in to international standard level. I say, so obey young quadia, a nice idea.
Ladies and gentlemen, government is equally committed to improving air connectivity across the country. We're not only improving the Accra International Airport, we're improving aviation across our country. During my recent visit to the Upper East region, I inspected the site earmarked for the development of the new Bolgatanga Airport. And I'm pleased to announce that preparations are well advanced to start construction of that airport. We're also going through the procurement processes for new regional airports in Wa in the Upper West region and in Swatre near Sunyani in the Bono region. When completed, these projects will enhance connectivity and boost trade and tourism. In Ashanti region also, work is advancing on the runway extension at the Prempeh the First International Airport in Kumasi. This is necessary to accommodate heavier, long-haul passenger aircrafts that can do international travel. It is my hope that in the near future, passengers will be able to take off directly from Kumasi to other international destinations across the world.
Now, program you are called any who say Appiah Stadium on the Kojo Chumbuafo, the CEO of Financial Intelligence Center, I say February 2025 no, and he are appointed as acting CEO for FIC and that's Financial Intelligence Center. Emma July 2025 no, and an official inauguration as sworn in as now the CEO. At first now we're active, but now they are sworn in your bonnet transfer as the CEO. As Onyen Bekumasa, now Enrano, Appiah Stadium has some altercations be Appiah and Seminar said, yeah, then this about bearing my as a man in your appointment no of Lena, my name Pekini Kobe. It ain't on Appiah Stadium any money, AECA.
Why? This is the third time you are doing this. Do it and let the cameras look. I've known you for 30 years. Don't behave like that in public. Don't do it again. This is the last time. I've known you since you were
What I say, Emma, there was a push incident in Emma now owns Appiah Stadium. No Munapan go pai with that. Emma video FIC on the international go viral. Now I said here, a seminal Esiko any Appiah Stadium. There Mahama will be allowed to Tata, or no Mahama fans, no concert distractions or concert trouble or move pimp for ya there. I don't know NDC live accounts or that man be no social media. Hajia Fati. Well, you're pro NDC member, then you didn't buy Madam when this woman you didn't or can't be. As a woman, I said the rich man's sister. I see Kenny Niaba. Sorry, madam, I know media. So, all of a Appiah Stadium, Abe Clash. Now, a Mukra was asking no warning. Adam Mahama, and here, Appiah Stadium soon to know. A job between this party no. Now, or no Hajia Fati, or near Appiah Stadium, just Mahama, and you careful. Obesi Bako.
Yo! Shege and Turwa. wo hwiwa kankan wate wo takrama dudu tuti se nantwe turumu aboa ane disruptati papa wo fra na ona wo fra na wo so da na wo di camera de di wachi aboa enya wo fault shege enya wo fault na me no wo ye be call no boot to boot sa wo so wo mbu ade be chira wo pa wo ba physical and be ba physical wo ba spiritual and be ba spiritual danema tampiri manyira biga bunyoro mabila kramanti sewo abwata wo ya why wo all man adai all man why John Mahama ya jam ya shini wa ni bendamu bo bendamu ba ni bendamu ba enkere kraman ni anyankopon na pepa kraman to nyankopon hweye now at Appiah Stadium it was the power audacity so on the nam no didi ya NDC Penyah mpwata who is Appiah Stadium Appiah ponda try what try la muhume no we afre charity Appiah Stadium say no we afre charity Appiah say me kura meti hoyi mintimi nyesa kwase anema no I dare not to try it. I dare not to try it on anybody. Who ya when Appiah? What to abatre ana? Ukoko mrotini na ya miensa na odiko to aba. Say the ultimo mobilize mo to aba no. Ye bi ye dia chen wo sa. Ye bi ye dia chen sa. Appiah. Don't even try to intimidate anybody. The beer ya uya na ye di uya na ye di uya ne this time ye di the BCNC and John Mahama try ya obesie me and obesie wo Appiah Stadium wallahi me dem kobato try it ya dem asya na wonam na wo di camera chi olma so na ye haka jam mitimi eninam na medim camera edi to me wo so sa na me di yen kwase anema kana bir ana zagin kuma ka seni kama unim se John Mahama unim se obi kawa wa kame na wo man opportunity when they mean fancy wo to me na Appiah Stadium di Jimmy wallahi because o see otimi fro otimi fa otimi ye odio otimi respond Appiah Stadium timi on Appiah Stadium na kaye enye me na me kaye. How many times and some of you call you to respond? Ono ye nipa chen ono wa bre chen ye. We see critics from power to opposition, from opposition to power. Now wa Appiah all man that can wo e ye one wa ma Appiah Stadium e Jimmy Sano. Yes, that can. Me say dem are you ready so be yi me afiri wo mamu. Ko be kan kura kira wo. Obeti na owo people owo sa tumi na obeti ma ya sa nkwase anema no. Ni na yi ready yo. Enough is enough. Kai na gaji. Ya miniature sesi ya miniature tete say ya fi. Ya be fi. Ya be fi. This is too much. Why? Appiah Stadium. Can you steady? La darbala. Appiah. Say nyasa. Be la mu. Me na me kachira wo Appiah Stadium. Me kachira wo. Kwasi anima ni Jimmy na wo ye no. You provoke Ashanti youth. Ukwasi anima no kwa na ema youth wa Ashanti. Omubufu. Ade. Bone ben. Sa wo tumi ana wo di Jimmy. Sa wo tumi ana wo di Jimmy Appiah Stadium. Kayi steady. Kayi steady. Mba haka na ba. Appiah. Ye steady ho. Won ye youth we. Ye be ye wo ho adwuma bia. Wallahi. Why? Udi dimko. Uya why? Wo to be pay na wo na wo pesa wo frɛ obi na nipa ne mfa. What of phone ama obi? What of phone ama obi ana wo credit na what ama obi? Ko pay adwuma ye why? Ja ko hwedwuma, ja nkwase anima na ko ye adwuma. Abota. Na me say wo market ho me ne wo ye be kono. He ha me ne wo ye be kono. Me donya me. Wo ban. Ubu busiafo Saja me kuma abanu ho nka boy we gina manima kan ba wele nam ro wallahi kan ba kano ro ya sa tubu na wo no fako bie factory fako ye adwumapa emma Ashanti youth nkrofo brawo Ashanti region ebesinde omoda so tifi omonye adwuma ye kwasi ye ko hwini be matese wo ntro wura woni nam na wo twetwa ntro woni nam na wo di nkrofo tribu bom aboa sira ni tese wo abota wo ka so omusuro wana omusuro wo mo wo ho ye bi se ye nsuro sa wo se wa bodam wa wo takrama dudu to se abrewa amoshi wa takrama dudu to se abrewa amoshi shege me wari me say try me twenwo say bra out na me ne wo yan kone down there said you won't ferry ade won bu ade wonim say sa na mete said you won't ferry ade won bu ade sa na me charity tie me ntina ho biem e ma won fa o disrespect e ma wo intimidate any minister any security that is bodyguarding John Mahama. I will not sit down and take it from you. If the security men are afraid of John Mahama to take action on you, me, I will face you. I will face you. Unchemobi, motherfucker bia, manga babila bonsela, yalmawa, campia, bezo, ambassador. Ora, we are why? No honey pa drinks are. This one kwasi anima. Busiafo me de besi ha e chena part 2 beba me na Appiah Stadium ye be ko no boot to boot me na Appiah Stadium ye be ko no boot to boot wallahi me so mu yi wonni mentra Appiah Stadium wonni mu o ka wonni ma be bia odi wa agro e ko no nka won fa nko ho be chiro pa se be chiro busuma ye du ebro be chiro se wo ye kwa aboa na warea kwa sie na twempena me be chiro shege dan duru nwa wo ye hwan ko hwini be ma ana na wo hani pa adwen sa ambanza kamaka wofi masiati na mizi wa busiafo me di besi ha me se part 2 beba Appiah Stadium me no ye be ko no smooth wallahi be chira ne pa se oya shege me ye dan duru wa me de ba si wa ha me da mo ase
I be you know Ghana. Ababusia we no abaya asem kese enya asem di agro he se de Hajia Fati ni abere kasa na you go see say oni agro ai oni agro say enkran fi omo kasa so omo start so omo ka omo kurum kasa ne kan kan ho say ensem no she means it start o ka house ani nyina frafra there's own ensem no be ekeka ko no agro ne ni yaye ebufu ebem eni den ne ani bre eba agro no kyerɛ w'adwene fa me ɛwɔ comment section hɔ no mu. Penyah Block Media. Agra.